So today what I'm going to walk you through is a laundry room. Whenever you think of a laundry room, there's going to be a lot of dust that's built up because people are pulling out those lint traps. And then that lint trap, when they take the lint off of it, throw it away, it's going to have a whole bunch of lint on top of these. You're going to notice detergent on top of these as well. So you're going to want to make sure. What I like to do initially is give it a clean using a paper towel, and then I take the rag to it. And the reason I do that is it avoids having a soapy towel, which is going to leave residue on here and you're going to see streaks. So go ahead and get yourself a nice roll of paper towels and then focus on getting that detergent up. Then you're going to move on to using the rag along with some disinfectant. And I like to use Simple Green all-purpose cleaner to use on top of the washing machines. So let's go ahead and get started. Or walk over to this one here. You can see the lint right on top of these. So right here, you see that? You can see it. Alrighty, check it out. One wipe, boom, okay? And you're just gonna work your way in an organized fashion. Otherwise, you're gonna get lint and this dust all over it. So make sure that any cleaning that you do in an organized way. That's my top recommendation when doing these. Perfect. This first one, like I said, we're primarily going to be focusing in on getting the dust, the detergent off of these. All right, cool. So that's most of it is gone there. This paper towel is full of dust, so I'm tossing that. And now I'm going to go ahead and transition to the rag here. And this is where you get the polish really going for you. Perfect. Look at that. All right. So there you go. This one's ready to go. And as far as the top of the unit, what I'm going to do now is show you the front. People are grabbing these. Treat this like you would a door handle with a lot of contact. So you're going to go ahead and spray off this, disinfect. Use your preferred disinfectant for that. I'm less worried about dust on these. You're going to want to wipe these down and then work your way down the machine. So start up and then work your way down. Give some extra attention to that handle. It is heavily used, so all I know is that as soon as it's available, the next person up is up to use it. Okay, so that's great for disinfecting and general cleaning. I like to give it a little extra love, so what I end up doing is I end up using a little bit of this glass cleaner. It works fantastic on this. It's already pretty clean looking, but this just gives it that extra shine that I like to give to the residents that are going to be using this machine, so they can see that we appreciate them by giving them a nice, beautiful, polished washing machine. Look at that. Looks like a mirror now. Perfection.